is lift 3 at Westfield, Gravatt. Modded Johnson Waygood. Lift number 3, maximum load 680 kilos, 10 persons. Hydraulic. We'll do a cab view. I like the chimes too. DDA panel. Pat beeps. That's awesome. Johnson Waygood badge. 1 minute, last minute's right up to level 1, and then we'll go back to ground and we'll end it there. Green Dewhurst 95. There's a foam which got removed. It's being maintained by Chime. Third level directory. Good look of it. Got red Dewhurst US 91-15 on the outside. There it goes. That's it.